Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Apex YouTube channel, House Plants all over the world. Here you can learn so many things about drawings, conceptual design, construction, supervision, building, and everything. So today we are going to explain you something about house plants. We'll take an example and we'll take a look what parts are available in the architectural plans. Let's take a look at this drawing. Here, this is uh, an architectural plan of a house, and here you have the menu bars, the name, client's name. This space is allocated to put the seal of architect and structural engineer, and all the details are available in this portion, cage. Here you can clearly see a site plan is available. In the site plan, the road is shown here, and also the land plot margins are indicated, and the proposed house where you are going to place the house is indicated here, or if there's something to be demolished, that also to be indicated here, and the available distances from the outer margins should be indicated here. So for these distances there are some guidelines in the local authorities, so the distances should be according to the guidelines of the local authorities. Otherwise your architectural plan will not be accepted. So in that site plan, soakage pit, waste material pit, soakage pit and septic tank, all the details should be necessary to indicate. So that is site plan, and the north direction should have to be shown in the site plan. Alright, let's shift to the other parts of the architectural drawing. In this relevant architectural drawing, this is a two-story house. First floor, this is the ground floor plan, this is the first floor plan. We have a very small portion of roof terrace, and when we go to the ground floor, yes, you can clearly see the columns are indicated in this architectural drawing. So usually some architects, they mention the column positions, but it is the responsibility of the structural engineer to locate the column positions and beam positions. So his positions should be friendly with the architectural features, otherwise it will give a bad view to the final constructed structure. So this is the ground floor. In this relevant plan, relevant house, we have parking here, a very big parking, a parking lot that can be accommodated 2 cars or vehicles from here. The living area is indicated here, and the dining area is very much connected to the living area, and pantry is also connected to the dining room. And from there you have the staircases to the upper floor, and 2 bedrooms here and here. All the 2 bedrooms are in medium sizes, and 1 bathroom and toilet is available outside of the rooms, so no attached bathrooms in the ground floor. When we shift to the first floor, all right, this is the staircase. From this staircase you can come to the living room, and from that living room you have access to 3 bedrooms. Here you have a very big bedroom, and here you have a big size bedroom, and where some are smaller or medium sized bedroom here. There also you can't see any attached bathrooms. The common toilet bathroom is available outside the bedrooms, and here you have living area. Here you can clearly see a duct. Actually it's not a duct, it's a open space. You don't have the slab here in the first floor slab level, so this is an opening. So you can clearly see the ground floor from this living area, and this part can be covered with a handrail or something. You have a shrine room, and from that shrine room area you can go out, and outside in the top of the carporch you have an open balcony. So it is in the outside. And when you go to the second floor plan, second floor, actually it's not a second floor, it's a roof terrace. So very small area of roof terrace is available. In this right hand side portion and left hand side portion should be covered with a roof. And also in the architectural drawings you have these plan views: ground floor plan, first floor plan, or roof or second floor plan if available. And also you need to indicate the elevations. This relevant drawing, you can clearly see front elevation of the house is drawn here. You can see the two cars, you can see the balcony, and all the features. Windows can be very easily seen in this view. And also another side elevation, front elevation and side elevation, and two sections should be indicated. Here you can clearly see section AA. Where is section A? If you go to plan view, you can see where the line it has been cut, the section A. So here you have A section. Through this line, this section is cut. All right. Section B is a section to the other direction. Here you can clearly see section B. In this line, it's cut. So you have two section drawings and two elevation drawings and all the plan views. And also what else need to be indicated in the architectural drawing? Yes, here in this country, we usually show the basic foundation details. Here you can clearly see basic foundation detail, staircase detail, and soakage pit and septic tank detail here, inlet, outlet, concrete, the finishes and dimensions, and also foundation details. When you have pad foundation, eccentric pad foundations, you need to indicate the section and plan view of this one along with the reinforcement details. But actually we don't use these details when we are doing construction, because a detailed structural design need to be done by a structural engineer. So here foundation details are shown, and also another necessary compulsory thing is door window schedule. Here you can clearly see the schedule of doors and windows in this relevant drawing. So there are 3 door types and 3 door window types and 3 window types, and some fan lights and all that. All the dimensions along with width and height and description will show how to make these doors and windows, whether it's wooden or with louvers or with panels or whatever it is. The number of items is also indicated here. So along with these things, architectural drawing will be developed by architect. So how he developed this? He has to discuss with the client, and client need to reveal his or her requirements, and according to his or her requirements, family conditions and available land availability, architect will draw this architectural plan according to the local authority guidelines. So first of all, you need to develop this architectural drawing, and you need to approve by a chartered architect and a chartered structural engineer. After that, you need to put or give this to the local authorities, and it should be get approved. After the approval, you have to give this architectural drawing to a reputed chartered structural engineer, and he will do a structural analysis and design. After the structural analysis and design, he will develop structural drawings. According to that structural drawings, the construction need to be carried out. So when you are doing a structural design, uh, you can get optimum solutions, optimum sizes, optimum reinforcement requirements. You can save money. It will be very economical and it will be last for its expected life time. So in this video we discussed just about architectural drawings. In our next video we will discuss about the structural design and structural drawings. Until then, please be with us, subscribe us, share our videos for others to increase their knowledge. Goodbye. Bye for now. Good day.